Yes, ito mo atang.
Kagwait na.
Wait.
Hi and welcome to my new vlog. Today, this is General Maximum Avenue. How many balloons would it take to lift you off the ground?
Dagay ko pansi bro lang.
Pwede lang sa Horizons ka makuha na. Ana, dili.
Dubul-dubul yelo mo ito nga ko. Guna na, asun. Dubul yelo man, mo tabok ka ba?
Mango.
Dito lang ta, di man. Di mo traffic po kayo ron?
No. This is Horizons 101.
Yes.
Mango.
Busog, mami?
No.
Oh,
You do not eat your sour pork, ito. Nga nga katong parking booth, gigo, upa.
usog.
Iglesia ni Cristo. Dionisio Hakosalim Street. We will swim at Sacred Heart Center.
Yes, next week swim ka rin ako na. Yung nag-isis pa
Pauman si Mama's Cake, mga Thursday. Kay Wednesday maning cake.
Napamagtay one session na bili ni Coach Baby.
The student is ready, the teacher appears. This is Barangay Zapatera. Going to Sikatuna Street.
Pero yung rice lang, boy, sobra?
Lap-lap.
No?
Katong iyang wala na sauce, iyang gipalipag na ako.
No.
Gamay. Mga...
No.
Yung nagkakaroon din mo.
No. Kakutsara, ang ipare sa sauce.
Not talking about it. No.
Ay, something.
This is...
May pag ato na siyang i-barber dito lang eh.
Asa man?
Ito, itong nalap niya.
Tuwi ko nung dito.
No? Ito lang ta, ganahan mo siya glaing kuhan.
Kasi mahal po kayo ito, ha?
Luloy? What?
Look,
Mausan mo.
this is...
Welcome, no?
Aircon.
This is our Landon Street.
Very good, no? Wala na yung rain.
This is our Landon Street. This is Osmeña Boulevard, Jones Avenue. We're here at Jones. This is Police Regional Office 7. Jones Avenue. This is Jones Avenue. This is... It's because of the pandemic, we can't go anywhere.
Yes. We passed by 2 times here na today.
Ito.
Oo.
No.
2 times na today.
This is Crown Regency Hotel and Towers. Hands to yourself. This is Jones Avenue. This is the circle of Fuente Osmeña. Fuente Osmeña Circle. How many balloons would it take to lift you off the ground? This is executive pension. It's still Fuente Osmeña. If ever there's a tomorrow, when we're not together, there's something you must remember.
Yes. I will always be with
No.
you. Asirado itong parlor ni mo, itong suki mo.
No.
Hindi mo tungas, kuya. 150 naman ito.
Karon?
Asirado rin.
Hindi pa siguro.
No. This is Dr. Gary B. Rivera's clinic.
Dito, try.
May hindi kuya kaputan.
No. You have to be patient always. Learn how to wait. Thanks for watching. Outside.